are talking about a USA, it's a constitutional framework, it is a federal system, separation of powers is there, common law traditional is there which we are also following, right. Statutory laws are there, administrative laws are there. Yeah, so we are also having a statutory laws, administrative law, common law tradition we are also following, right. Now, if you see the legal system of US, it is based on that federalism, and authority is divided into the federal government and the individual state government. So, there is a division that state government and the federal government, that division is there. Now, when we are talking about this constitutional framework, this foundation of a legal system in the US adopted in 1787. Okay. Now, that established that federal structure, and it like delineates its powers and guarantees the fundamental rights to the citizens.